Hello, Coach Mia here, owner of Lift and Flow Performance, and today I want to talk to you about stretching. We see all the workout videos, the dance videos, and all these things all over our news feeds that is going on right now, right? And that's great. For those that are taking advantage of it, good job. For those that are just walking, that's good too. Regardless, I don't hear enough people talking about stretching, and particularly when it concerns your hips and your spine. I don't know about you, but during this pandemic, I've been doing a lot more sitting. And not sitting in a desk chair, just right here on my living room, sitting. There's been just a lot more sitting going on. So whether you're over-exercising or not, both of those things lead to tightness, in particular, tightness of the hips and the spine. So today I'm going to share with you my 3 favorites. Number 1, before we get on the floor, because I'll stay down there. Number 1 is the greatest stretch ever. This is my favorite because it tackles so many different areas of your body. I'm going to make this quick because I already have a tutorial on it. You're going to want to push back into a runner's lunge here. Squeeze your butt, press that hip down. From here, we're going to lift these arms up, take them back. Don't be afraid to take your head with you. And if you need to do this next to something to hold on, that's okay too. Coming from there, you will then come down on the inside. I like the inside because it makes this part a little bit more challenging. When you're twisting here, you're twisting from your rib cage. Don't just throw your arm back. That don't do nothing. You want to come, twist from your spine, and aim to look up at the ceiling. Bring it back down, straddle this front leg, stretch. And it's okay if you have to come up here. Get that hamstring stretch, stand up, go again. That's number 1. Number 2, I have old people knees, so I gotta have all the cushion. You want to get on one knee, take your other leg, slide it out. Put your hands down. From here, you will push your hips back. Let me show you from the side. Push your hips back. You're aiming your butt to your heel, and you're trying to keep your back neutral. Don't do this. This defeats the purpose of the stretch. Here. If you want to get a deeper stretch or hit another angle, rotate your foot up, and you can do the same thing. Once in this position, take the hand, the opposite arm of the one that is stretched, and you will twist and then thread through from the front. Twist, thread through. You can repeat that about 6 times on each leg. The last one, I like this one. It's a bit of a pretzel. I think people call it a bretzel or something like that. But this one, you're going to want to have to see from up top. Let me face you. Starting with the right, we're going to take, and you're going to bend this. Starting with the right, you're going to take your right leg across your body. I'm holding it with my left hand, pressing it down, locking it in place. I gotta reach up, I got short arms, but I'm gonna go palm up to the ceiling, grab my ankle or your toe, whatever you can reach, and then I'm gonna pull this leg here so that my knee is in line with my body. And then I'm gonna twist. So what I'm doing here is I'm pressing this leg down, pulling this one, and aiming both of my shoulders on the ground and trying to get my chest up to the ceiling. Some of you will do it easily. Some of you may just get stuck right here. But that's okay. Just take deep breaths. And with every exhale, try to open up a little bit more. And then just repeat on the other side. I like to hold that for about 4 to 6 good deep breaths. And there you have it. Those are my 3 favorite. And they are some of the most, you're hitting multiple areas. So you get your hips and your spine in one go. I like to hit multiple areas because we got stuff to do. No one wants to spend an hour stretching. I hope you enjoyed that. Stretching is a huge component of what we do here at Lift and Flow, and it will 100% be included in our 28-day Queens of Quarantine challenge. So if you are not a part of that, spaces are limited. I do a lot of customization. I can't do that with a large group. I'm keeping it small. So if you want to benefit from that and not just watch your pre-recorded video, join this challenge. The link is in the comments.